Assalamu alaikum students. So today we'll start chapter number 35, that is volume and surface area of solids. Solid shape, which is, I mean, you can say anything which is having a different shape and occupies space is called solid. And they are all means most they are three-dimensional figures like cube, cuboid, cones, cylinders. These are the some solid shapes. So in this chapter, in this level, at this level, here it is discussed surface area of cuboid and surface area of cube, volume of cuboid and volume of cube. So these two things are, you can say, covered in this chapter. Let's have a look what is the formula of surface area of cuboid. 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus h into L. Because in cuboid there are the six faces. Okay, six phases. So you can see here this is actually not a cuboid, it's a cube. But for the face you can see here that one face is there, two, 3, 4, then down 5, and then 6. So 6 faces are there, and the surface area of this face, if I'm asking about the what is will be the surface area of this face, suppose this is length, length into breadth, or length into height. This is height, okay, length into breadth, height. And if you are going here, so this is actually your breadth, breadth into height. So like this, okay. See, you can say length, breadth, and height. At the corner, what is this? Is your length, breadth, and height. So if you are using this, so it will be what, length into height. If you're finding out the area of this plane, so it will be what, width into height. So if you are finding out the this length into breadth, so like this. So you got the formula like this: 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into F. Lateral surface area means what? That surface area of the walls only. Walls means removing upper point and down. And so how many walls are there? One, this face is there, second this face is there, third and fourth. So four faces are there: one, two, three, four. So lateral surface area of cuboid will be what? You can say four surface areas are there. So 2h in L plus B. But how you got this formula 2h L plus B? In this formula, how you have got? Because I told you that four faces are there. So four faces, actually this is like this: 2 LH plus BH. Means in two faces, like length into height plus breadth into height plus breadth into height. Okay, four faces. So length into height plus length into height plus breadth into height plus breadth into height. See, four faces: one, two, three, four. So area of all the four faces will give you 2 LH plus BH. Similarly, we have surface area of cube. Cube will be what? Because in cube all sides are equal. So surface area of cube will be 6L square, and later surface area of cube means only that side. Okay, you will leave the upper and bottom. That will be 4L square. Next, we have volume. What is the volume of a cuboid? Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is length cube. L cube. Now we have length of the diagonal of a cuboid. What is the length of the diagonal of a cuboid? And it is found to be that L square plus B square plus H square. Fine. And length of the diagonal of cube, because in cube all lines are equal, so L square plus L square plus L square, that means 3L square, and it will give you L under root 3. Okay, how you got this length of a diagonal? Like I told you that if whatever suppose this is a diagonal of any vertex, suppose any parallelogram, so how you will find out? By applying the Pythagoras theorem of rectangle. So by the applying the Pythagoras theorem you will get this. So how we get this length of a diagonal of a cuboid? Just have a look here. In this diagram you can see here that it is actually the this height and this is made up two diagonals. Okay, this are the two diagonals. So how you will get this? Like you can see here the eg. EG, where is EG? This E and G, this is the diagonal actually. So EG is what? Under root L square plus B square. Fine. But you are supposed to find out AG, because AG is also, this is actually a diagonal, because diagonal means what? The line which is joining non-vertex. So this will AG will be what? AG will be what? Your H square plus this, and H square, this was L square plus B square. So from here we got at under root L square plus B square plus H square. So these are some formulas related to chapter number 35.